Welcome to Bosch Roadshow at Speedex Tools Coach. We have a new launched L-BOXX contractor. Let me show you about the L-BOXX. This is our new launched Bosch L-BOXX contractor. It has modular stackable storage system for flexible organization, and it has also IP65 rated protection for dust and water. You can see it has also one-handed locking and quick release mechanism, and it is also heavy duty impact resistant propylene construction material. You can see, let me show you how you can release easily. Just once you take the handle, it's quick release and it's easy to fix as well, so easy to lock also. This is also designed for easy stacking, transport and job site mobility, and this is also compatible with Bosch L-BOXX and Pro Click storage system. This is also ideal for storing power tools, hand tools, accessories and any consumables. Let me show you, it's very easy and the wheels are very good. You can see. Let me tell you about the storage capacity, weight capacity of each L-BOXX contractor. So this one should take the weight up to 35 kg. What is the second one? The second one, this will contain up to 50 kg. Up to 50 kg. And the last one, this will contain up to 113 kg. 113 kg. Next, I'm going to show you the Bosch GLT 18B-5000 cordless job site tower light. Okay, it's compact, as you can see. It's handy. Okay, and it has three options to setting the brightness. Three levels like 1000 lumen, 2500 lumen and 5000 lumen. You can also extend the height up to 2.2 meters. Can show you. You can extend this one. Okay. The next, you can see, and see the light. It has three options, as I told you. Okay, so you can adjust the setting from, you can operate from here. You can see it has three options: 1000 lumen, 2500 lumen and 5000 lumen. As you can see, this is a multi-directional light head, so it can adjust, like you can adjust the panels to cast the light uniformly and reduce shadows. So as you can see, this Bosch cordless job site work light, it has the battery operated, and as you can see, you can use like up to 2 ampere, but recommended 4 ampere for this ones for a highly durability long time. Run time will be long time if you use 4 ampere or 5 ampere. Next, I'm going to show you our new launched Bosch GLA 18V H-7500 job site work light. It's a cordless, okay, and as you can see, it should go up to 7500 lumen. So you can just change the options it has, starting from 2500 lumens, okay, 5000 lumens and 7500 lumens. It has also 180 and 360 options. So you can, at a time, you can choose one side if you want, like, to use only one side, and then the second one you can operate from here, the other side, and it has 360. So both options have 180 and 360 for the different areas you can cover. It's a battery operated cordless job site work light. As you can see, 18 volt, okay, 18 volt. Any Bosch battery you can use this, and I can recommend you minimum use 4 ampere for highly run time. You can use 2 ampere as well, but run time will be less. So use 4 ampere minimum. It's a heavy duty job site work light and it's very lightweight. As you can see, it's very lightweight. It has hybrid power system, so you can also operate this one by 18 volt Bosch battery. Okay, either standard 120 volt AC 48 main powers directly. You can operate by 2 options. Okay, and the third point is you have a Type C port inbuilt here, so which helps you to charge your mobile phones. This is for the on, okay, and these options you have to change the angle like 180, okay, 360. From this one you can change the lumen from 2500 up to 5000, and the last one is 7500 lumens. That's it. Thank you for watching. This is all our new launch product available on SpeedX Tools. Thank you.
SpeedX, inspiring ideas, projects, and homes.
SpeedX.